How to connect a custom domain into Odoo. In this very quick video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your custom domain into your Odoo website. So of course, the very first thing you want to have to do is to log in into your Odoo account and ensure that you have fully created your setup or your website. So go into your all apps and access the website in which you would like to add a custom domain with. From here, all you have to do is to make sure that you're currently onto the editor mode of the website that you have created, and then choose on configuration. Choose on domain name, and then it will re-verify you once again if your website is ready or not. So for now, just choose on website is ready. Now from here, all I have to do is to either use your own domain or you can get your domain name. So since we are currently or we're using a custom domain, all I have to do here is to use or to click this option here that you would like to use your own. And then you, of course, have to fill this out right here. So for you to create a CNAME record, this is going to be as a samples. Now, if you would like to use a naked domain, so for example, this one right here without the host, which is going to be the www dot, you need to redirect yourdomain.com to www.yourdomain.com. So you're just going to have to tweak around the settings of your domain that you've created from Odoo and then fill this out here and choose on I confirm it's done. And that's it. That's how you add a custom domain into Odoo.